On YouTube. I am Zishan Hormal back with another hot crypto project. Today we are going to complete check the Polyversa art. So project related all the link you will get in the video description, so you can check them all one by one. Before we start, a small disclaimer: this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you guys about most trusted and reliable project. You should always do your own research before investing in any project. And if you are new to the channel, so make sure please subscribe my channel for more interesting video, and also press the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zishan Hormuz. So let's get started in recording of Polyversa art. So right now, what is Polyversa art, and what is the future of Polyversa Versa art, and what can they done in the past, how much potential they have. So I want to give you complete detail about that. Right now you can see welcome to Polyversa art, and here just I want to go give some detail about the Polyversa art by Idris B. So you right here you can see the Polyversa art is a collection of 11,001 unique Polyversa NFTs launched on Ethereum blockchain and created by world renowned artist Idris B. Polyversa art is the possibility to own for the very first time exclusive sculpture as NFT for fraction of its price. Being the owner of this NFT will give you exclusive access to Idris by newest work, but also to VIP art test exhibition, private concrete fashion show, jewelry, and privileged access. So if you look to this token, you can also clarify from here, because they just want to say that this is 11,000 unique Polyversa NFTs which are already collection done by the Ethereum blockchain, and also they want to create by world renowned artist. So you can check them all one by one, and after that if to look the artist, what is the artist, right here you can see burn and rise in pairs. Idris have shown interest in the arts since his childhood, with the considerable knowledge by new material combination of different sources and Versa handmade art object. Idris began to think of new collection. This collection was made by modeling vision of contemporary art to create a polygonal animal form in the different size, which they then sold to collection limited edition pieces. The goal is to give you the possibility to everybody to own unique piece of art. So this is, you can also say that they will be done many type of size animals. Right here you can see polygonal animal form by in different sizes, and you can study about that. This is the main artist. You can see what can they done, artist what can they done. So right here I just want to give you get ready to go in space. So they also want to planning toward the space, but what is the main what is the means of this sentence? Right here I just want to give space Polyversa holders of one of the 11 moon background NFT will be selected to win a trip into space. So right here you can see a holder of one of the 11 moon background NFT will be selected to win. So this is too much important. I will give you how can you participate in that, and how can you also make a part of this project. So right here, once is a lifetime experience 80 kilometers from Earth. So this is also too much important for that. After that I just want to give you some more detail. So first of all, they want to try to go to space moon. After that you can see they also right now work on Space Mojo. After that they have more and more events in the upcoming time, and you can directly check one by one. After that, if you want to join the pre-sale, so this is too much important, because whenever we have to buy any token in the pre-sale, we almost 50-60% we will be able to buy any token in pre-sale. So you simply just click on that. After that, you will be directly come to this one page. After that, you must be join the Polyversa art by Idris Bey. You can see right here 40,628 members already participate in that, and right now you can see 3,500 is online right now. So you must simply click on that. After that, you will be also go to the Discord group of this project. After that, you will be directly able to buy this one project. So I hope you are clear how can you buy this one, how can you participate in this project. You just simply gonna simply click on the pre-sale. After that, this page will be open. You just simply click on that. After that, sometime there will be a huge discord group. I already told about the members. There will be some special post on how can we participate in the pre-sale, so you must be apply for that. After that, legendaries, you can see the legendaries edition by the Polyversa art are the test NFT. They are all unique and have no element in common with the regular collection. So right here you can see the legendary edition by the Polyverse art are the test NFTs. They are all unique. So if you look to these NFTs, these NFTs already any project when work on any type of NFTs, then they work unique, and they don't want to do work with they don't want to do a fake work. So they all everything create almost new. They everything all unique. So OIC stand black diamond. So this is also NFT. Daigo Spare Blue, this is also NFT, and Mojo 1 diamond, this is also NFT. But right here you can see there's many NFT are on the way, and they directly write coming soon. After that, I want to give you some about launch map. Welcome to the Polyversa art exhibition. There is no another project NFT project. There is a real artist. This is exposed to amazing places after making pieces with Bork, sending by helicopter his pieces in the middle of Dubai Expo in the 4th season, and recently a special collaboration with the Jamuria Group. Idris Bey is now getting to NFT. You are invited to Polyversa Club on Discord, where you can engage with the artist, learn about how the project will shift the art conversion, and prepare yourself for the metaverse. So this is too much important. They also want to go planning toward the metaverse, so you also focus on this project. And after that, I just want to give the epic journey began thanks to the great start of the career and sell Idris Bey. The artist will indicate himself. You can see right here, this is a many fund for this artist indicated himself. After that, found to finance the community development creation and to book the special events in VR on. It will also be used to launch a huge marketing campaign to make the world know about your future pieces of art. New York, Dubai, Los Angeles, billboards are just a part of it. So right here you can also see that they also want planning toward the launch a huge marketing campaign. And after that, if you look to the a lot of prestigious events are going to happen with our favorite artist, which will make you a pieces and desirable even more. So this is almost they want to do on 25%. After that, you can also study about the 50%, and as well as you can study about the 75%. You can see if you look to 75%, right after the So now the Polyversa team will start a content to the winner and reward with different VIP access, fashion show, private concrete, unique sport events as NBA playoff and Super Bowl, and will have the chance to win a 3-meter unique scalper. In the main time, the Polyversa team will lead and campaign to keep the floor price at the highest level and develop the security and desirability of our unique Polyversa NFT. So this is main about this, and I want to give you some introduction about the roadmap, because roadmap are also too much important. So right here, if you look to 2021 question number 4, you can see sweeping and floor price increasing campaign Polyversa career gift of 50,000 to charitable organization, world known artist and celebration partnership, 5x all exclusive trips for 2 to iconic art related cities, attribution of reward to the winner, evolution of the ranks. So they also want to work toward this. And the main important thing in this project is right here, you can see Metaverse development, and I already told you at the start of the video, you must be focused on that what will be gonna do in the future this one project. So right here you can see the Metaverse development is too much important for this project, and you can also study about the weekly update and rewards. So if you want to participate in that, I highly recommend you must be participating in that, because this project have more and more potential. And if you look to the main right here, you can see if you look to the main NFTs of this project, they will be work very hard, and this is a team. You can see they also just gonna place their NFT on their profile, you can see right here. And after that, what is NFT, you can also ask many type of question. So if you want to join the main community of this group, so you simply click on that, and also you must be follow Twitter account, because why I'm recommended to follow the Twitter account, because they also give different type of giveaways, and as well as different type of also give a different type of airdrop. So you must be join that, and you will be never miss any update from this time. So if you want to get a more airdrop and giveaways, so you must be also follow my Telegram channel, and this is the complete detail about the Polyversa art NFT. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thanks a lot.